The last follow-up on this question, I see the Honorable Dlamini from the EFF has indicated. Are you now the Honorable Dlamini, Honorable Paulsen?
Sorry, but his button was closer.
You must play with your own button. But you may continue.
Like Minister Gigaba.
No, you play with your button.
I have it on good authority, Minister Gigaba's feeling.
No, that's what I want the question, Honorable Member.
Minister, the Fetsatlala program is 5 years old, and only now you have set a target to have a very mediocre target of 450 black commercial farmers. And I think that's where one of the problems are, is that this...
Honorable Paulsen, let me correct you first. Fetsatlala does not deal with the development of commercial farmers. It deals with food insecurity. Feta means finish hunger. It's a different program. The one you are referring to of the 450 commercial farmers. To develop commercial farmers, you need access to markets. It won't assist you to produce more commodities, no matter how of quality they may be, without access to markets. That's why we have got all our attaches globally to make sure that markets are opened. Hence, as we debate, there will be now, for the first time, an export by our own farmers of lucerne hay to China. Is one form then you can be able, in assisting them through CASP, you can be able to link them to such program. We have got access to maize or maize products. I was in the USA last week to argue for our citrus fruits to be exported to the United States of America. Those are forms that we are engaging in. About the issue you are raising about fail and all that, I cannot comment on that, because where I stand, and I invite you to travel with me to Brandwacht, and there you will see what we have done in changing poverty to a vibrant food security initiative. And because you are also in the Western Cape, maybe you will be able to accompany me to leave, and please leave your overall. They can mistake you for something else. Go with me in a green overall. Thank you very much.